All right, Facebook ad tutorial for affiliate marketing and pretty much anything actually. This is going to be free tutorials, folks. 100% free. Facebook blueprint certification, if you will. So we're going to take a look at this today. But first, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I make videos about making money online and all kinds of stuff like that. I upload quite frequently. Hit the notification bell as well to be notified of new videos coming out. I also upload a bunch of free stuff, content that you can check out, sources like so, services like so, like I'm about to talk about today. So let's just get right into this. Facebook ads. So you want to learn Facebook ads. Now this is a free courses here, and it's right from Facebook. So learn new marketing skills with Facebook Blueprint. Obviously you need a Facebook account. You just log in and you're ready to go. Let's take a look at what they have here. Facebook courses and topic. 6 courses, the complete guide to advertising with Facebook Ads Manager. Complete guide, 6 courses. And then there's 8 courses for the complete guide to create Facebook ads for your page. Complete guide for Instagram accounts and such and more. So basically everything that you're going to need to know about Facebook advertising on even Instagram as well, because obviously Facebook owns Instagram. Advertising your business on Instagram, complete guide to editing, improving your Facebook ads, how to grow your business using Facebook and Instagram, so much more, folks. This is a lot of stuff here. The complete guide to getting started with Facebook Ads Manager, the complete guide to controlling blah, 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 blah. There's so much more. I'm not going to go into everything here because there's a lot, and I just want to make this video quick today. There's so much stuff here, folks, and like I said, it's free and it's coming right from Facebook. So you can stop watching all these YouTubers with all their so-called expert knowledge on how to do all this stuff. And you can just go right to here and learn everything for free. No other things needed to do. And there's so much information here. And at this point, I'm just rambling on. So please just subscribe to the channel. Check this out. There'll be a link in the description below for all this stuff. Check out all this other free stuff. I'll pop some stuff up on the screen here. Some free stuff in these videos here. And that is all for today. And I will talk to you soon.